34G. This meant, this is how many miles you could drive if you have that many gallons of gas. If you have 1 gallon, you go 34 miles. If G is 2, you went 64 miles, etc. This is an equation that describes how many miles you can drive. Because the miles depend on how much gas you have, so that's the dependent variable. That's the independent variable. You certainly can't drive without gas in your car. So, fraction operations. Every 7th grader, I need you to know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. You will find that on the test as well. Scale factors, I think that's pretty clear. And proportion. Can you write a proportion and solve one? So this is basically what we've been doing, and you all have a very, very good idea of this. So what you should do, and when it says over here, study for unit test, you should go back and practice a little bit of each one of these things. All right, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do a little bit of music with you, and I'm going to have you do a review assignment and see if you can get it all together. So what I'm hoping is going to happen is when I do this little review tune, I wrote it in such a way that would make it easy for you to sing with me. So I'm going to do a little introduction on the flute, and then I'm going to flip on the words here and see if we can sing together with this. Okay. And once again, remember now, part of what makes you remember things and do well is having a sense of humor. So when we're doing this, it does the musical part of the brain, but also remember there's a little tongue-in-cheek attitude here, which means we're kind of having a little fun with this and playing with it a little bit that opens up another pathways to the brain. Let me see if I remember what I wanted to do here. I think maybe, yeah. Have to see my math class when we taste our soda and then, come on, we tell the one we like best, and then we find the ratio. I know subtraction magic, just add up all the parts and then I take the part I want to and compare it to the sum. Part to part is ratio. I reduce to simplest form. Part to whole is fraction, and the same is so for percentages. You really have to see my math class.
Math class.
Connected math can sure be fun.
It's fun.
You really ought to come and visit us.
Visit us.
Then you'll join in our great song. All right, so listen, would you like to try to sing that with me?
Do it again.
Yeah, would you like to try to sing that with me?
Let's do it.
Would you?
Do it. Yes. Do it.
I know you would, really. Okay, I'll get a little intro here, and we'll try it once together, okay? You really have to see my
math class.
Math class.
when we taste the
soda
soda
and
then
And then
we tell the what we like best.
Like best.
Then we find the ratio.
The ratio, yo.
I know subtraction magic.
Magic.
Add up all the parts and then I take the part I want to and compare it to the sum.
The sum.
Part to part is ratio. I reduce to simplest form. Part to whole is fraction, and the same is so for percentages. You really have to see my math class.
Math class.
Connected math can sure be fun.
It's fun.
You really ought to come and visit us.
Visit us.
Then you'll join in our
Great song.
Okay. Fun with that one. Very nice.
Wait, we have to do it one more time.
Okay. What I want you to do now is I want you to practice a little bit with this now. So I want you to practice by starting on page 55, number 3. Mr. Mellon, I'll come around. When number 3 is done, please raise your hand. I'd like to come and see how you're doing.
James.